David. How dare you always hang out with Makusupa and LPS and the Hypnotic Bread Kitten. You know that those two suck. That's it. I'm going to shoot your leg.
No 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 no. Please Warren Cook. Don't shoot my leg. I'm so sorry. No.
Too bad. So sad. Boo-hoo.
N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N N. Please don't. No. No. No.
Too bad. I will shoot your leg and that's final.
Why yeah 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 yeah. Why someone please help me. Wah yeah 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 yeah.
What the heck is going on here? Oh my god. David. Your leg. I think you just got shot. Don't worry. I will call 911. Hello. Is this 911? Good. My friend David just got shot by Warren Cook. Bring an ambulance and the police right away. Alright. Thanks. Bye. Don't worry David. Everything is going to be okay. The ambulance and the police are coming. You'll be fine.
We better get you to the hospital right now. This injury looks horrible. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Lift.
Get well soon David.
Evil me. Did you hear that? Someone shot David in the leg. He is now in the hospital with a severe broken leg. He has to stay in the hospital for 5 weeks. I feel so bad for him. Wait a second. Evil me. Were you the one who shot David in the leg? Tell me right now, or you will be grounded for life. No. Of course not. It wasn't me. Don't lie to me. I can tell by the sound of your voice. Tell me what you did. Right now. Or else. Okay fine. It was me. I shot David in the leg. Evil me. How dare you? How dare you shoot David's leg? You stupid idiot. He could have died. That's it. You ass. Grounded, 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 grounded for 1 years. Go to your room, right? W. Right now. Waddle 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 waddle. Wah 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 wah.